Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a carbon clean. This has been requested, but I haven't done it yet since had a dodgy engine. But now we've got the new engine in, I'm going to show you how it's done. So we're going to use this 3-bond engine conditioner. Green one's for the petrols, yellow one for the diesels. Just to give you a heads up on how it works. Basically it eats up all the carbon inside of an engine. So we've got some dirty spark plugs here, and just to give you an example of what it's doing. Alrighty, it foams up and it basically eats away all the carbon. As you can see, it got black fairly quickly. Alright, and look at the difference that's made. That's literally just wiping it off with a rag. So next step is I'm going to put all of these back in the car after I've given a quick once over, and then we'll move on to the next step. Alrighty, so now we have put the engine back together. As you can see, it's running. I'm going to show you where you spray this. Hopefully it's going to work on this. So usually you'll find a vacuum hose connected to your intake somewhere. This car doesn't have any, so we're going to use the vent crankcase vent. Once that's taken off, you grab the can and you want to stick the tube as far down as possible. Alrighty, then when you're ready to spray, you get your buddy to rev the car around 2,500 RPM. Alright, and then you got to spray the whole can in. After a few minutes of spraying the never-ending can, just put your hoses back on. Usually, like I said before, especially in like a diesel or any other engine ones that have vacuum hoses close to the manifold, you want to use those ones because they're a bit better. And then you should have a nice healthy running engine, especially if you've had a few misfires and any carbon build-up. So once again, highly recommend this 3-bond stuff. I thought it was a big hoax until I used it on the race van, and it made big difference in the results. So thanks for watching.